Identifying accumulation, manipulation, and distribution has never been simpler using this one trick. But first, what is AMD? Simply put, it's the process where price accumulates liquidity in the market by holding price inside of a consolidation. Price is then manipulated to raid a liquidity pool on one side of the consolidation, and finally reverses to distribute that liquidity to the opposing liquidity pool engineered during the accumulation phase. Now the trick is, we incorporate time into our AMD cycle by looking at the Asian session, London session, and the New York session. And here's how we do that. When you get to the charts, highlight what the Asian session has done. Why? Because chances are, if it's accumulated, we can expect London to manipulate and therefore New York to distribute. Now, there's a caveat here. Say when you get to the charts and you see the Asian session has expanded instead of accumulating, then you should not expect the London session to manipulate. Instead, you should expect it to accumulate and therefore New York to manipulate. Put simply, it all comes down to what the Asian session has done. But let's move on to a chart example to properly illustrate the AMD cycle. Here, we've got this buy-side liquidity pool, and prices accumulated during the Asian session. So what do we expect the London session to do? Well, we expect it to manipulate by raiding buy-side.